Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss a tutorial on source transformation. For the following network, using source transformation, find power absorbed by 1 megaohms resistor. According to source transformation, a resistance Rs in series with a voltage source Vs can be transformed as a current source Is in shunt with resistance Rs, where Is is equal to Vs divided by Rs. According to source transformation, a resistance Rs in shunt with a current source Is can be transformed as a voltage source Vs in series with resistance Rs, where Vs is equal to Is into Rs. So this is the pictorial representation of source transformation technique. So in the given problem, the highlighted voltage source must be reversed like this. The current source of value 6 microampere connected in shunt to resistance of value 100 kilo ohms can be replaced with a voltage source in series with a resistance of value 100k. So voltage of the voltage source is equal to 600 millivolt. 6 microampere into 100k. So the value becomes 600 millivolt. Now this circuit can be redrawn after combining 200 kilo ohms resistance with 100 kilo ohms resistance and 3 volt in series with 600 millivolt source. The circuit becomes like this. 3.6 volt source is in series with 300 kilo ohms resistance, which can be replaced with a current source in shunt with 300 kilo ohms resistance. Value of the current source is equal to 3.6 divided by 300k. A current source of value 12 microampere in shunt with 300 kilo ohms resistance. Now in this circuit, 300 kilo ohms resistance and 470 kilo ohms resistance are in shunt. So replacing this shunt combination with a single resistance of value 183.11 kilo ohms, we can redraw the circuit like this. So now the 12 microampere current source is in shunt with 183.11 kilo ohms resistance. Let us replace this shunt combination with a voltage source in series with 183.11 kilo ohms. So current flow through 1 megaohms resistance is given as Ix is equal to minus 2.197 minus 9 the whole divided by 1.183 megaohms. So current flow through 1 megaohms resistance is equal to 5.917 microampere. Power dissipated by 1 megaohms resistance is P is equal to I square R. We will get power dissipated by 1 megaohms resistance is 35 microwatts. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.